building is quite behind the former building I came to give you the video. It's at the back of it, and this one is very spacious compared to the last one. So this is the last one you are seeing now, so I'll give you a clearer view of it. So, Mr. Nnamdi, what's your farewell message to our people in US?
I'm thanking them so much for this new development I've seen here. And I'm a witness. I say, may God reward them one by one in Jesus' name.
Thank you. So last time when I came, I was able to meet Nurse Mercy, but unfortunately she's on off duty today. So I believe by the time I come next time, I'll be able to get everyone in the picture. So God bless you and have a very good day.
Thank you.